Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at Zilliqa. So the last time we looked at Zilliqa, we were looking at a potential falling wedge on the daily chart. So I wanted to zoom out a little bit, and we're on the weekly chart here, so we're looking at a more macro picture. This thing's currently at 0.16, and you can see on this macro fib here that it's almost down here to this support at the 618 at 0.149. So that is going to be your big price to hold there. And also notice here on the chart, you can see that we do have the price action going down, and we have the MACD moving up. So we do have bullish divergence here on the MACD. So that's a very good sign there on the weekly chart, of course. So 149 is going to be your price to hold. If we scroll back here in Zilliqa's history, you can see we held this price level here and back here. So there's tons of support at this price level for Zilliqa. So this may be the bottom, and it may be fixing to bounce and move higher. So on the weekly chart here, if we bounce at 149, if you do actually hold that price there, we'll just go down here to that. If you come down to 149 and you bounce, then you got a potential 70%, 71% move higher up here to this 0.5, which would now be resistance at 0.25. So just keep an eye on that for a bounce at 149 on Zilliqa here. So like I said, it's held support pretty good, and you can see every time it does, it bounces right back up to this 0.25 level. So I would watch out for that. If we actually switch over here to the daily chart, one other thing I wanted to point out, here on the daily chart, you can see we still have that bullish divergence on the MACD here. And if we actually bring up the RSI here, you can see that. Let me go ahead and draw this on there for you guys. You can see that we have some short-term bullish divergence on the RSI here. So just slightly down here with the RSI. Let me go ahead and get rid of the MACD. So we have bullish divergence on the daily and the weekly MACD, and as you can see here, we do have bullish divergence in the most recent price action here on the daily chart. So what that's telling me is that Zilliqa is about to hit its bottom and it's about to move higher. So I would really watch out for that on the weekly chart. If you're in Zilliqa for the long run, maybe dollar cost average in here at 149, because we have a potential bounce back up here to 259 for that almost 70% move. Of course, remember, this is the weekly chart, so it's not going to happen overnight. But it is crypto. You could have one massive weekly green candle spawn in, kind of like you did back here. So, just play it by ear. Good dollar cost average price. If you lose 149 here, of course, it can always dip down below it a little bit. We'll say if you lose 149 to 13, then your next target down. Of course, we are in a bear market, so this support may not hold. Your next drop is down here to 0.06. So watch this high 14 area. If you lose 14, 13, or 0.13, then you potentially Zilliqa from where it is right now is going to drop down here to this support at the 786 for a 57, almost 58% drop to 0.06. So just watch this 14-13 level. If you end up losing that, then you're losing this macro support here, and you're probably coming down here to 0.06. But like I said, if you bounce here, then you have that potential to come up here to 0.25, like it seems to do every time it does come down to this area. So we'll see how it plays out. But like I said, you do have bullish divergence on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, and you have bullish divergence on the RSI on the daily chart. So something to watch out for. And with that said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.